Hi, and welcome to Carnegie 121. This video will serve as a tutorial for using different viewing and device options in the room using the black tablet on the lectern. First, hit Begin on the tablet and then choose a display option. Let's choose PC first. Log into the PC monitor and keyboard on the left-hand side, and the monitor will be mirrored on the TVs and projectors in the room. Similar for Mac, just select the option, log into the right side monitor and keyboard, and those will be displayed across the room as well. You can adjust either's volume by using the slider at the bottom of the tablet. If using a laptop, select the HDMI option and then use the HDMI cable to the left of the lectern. Plug in the cable to the laptop, and once the display is up, it will be mirrored on the displays in the room as well. Again, there will be a volume slider if you need to adjust the volume. It should also be noted each table in the room can be connected to a laptop with the HDMI port in the table. Just plug in an HDMI cable to the port in the laptop and then select the correct display option on the device underneath the TV on the right. Now it'll mirror the laptop on the TV. When you're finished with everything, hit System Shutdown on the tablet. Thanks.